a ginger leek curry. John is thinly slicing about 1.5 pounds of flank steak. Just running my knife through the last of the leek. I want about 3 cups of leek altogether, and it'll depend, of course, on the size of the leeks. So ginger, a lot of people attack peeling the ginger with a vegetable peeler. You're gonna waste a whole lot of ginger that way. You actually peel ginger or fresh turmeric with the tip of a spoon,
I peeled the turmeric.
just like that, so you can get in and out of all of those little lumps and bumps and nooks and crannies and things. So here's a little piece of fresh turmeric. So you can also substitute, instead of, about 1 inch or so, this is a very thin piece of turmeric, so I've got maybe 1.25 inches of it. You could substitute 1/2 palmful of ground turmeric, of course. Now, we toasted and just ground up our spice blend, but you can certainly use dry if this is what you have in your pantry. It's a great use up for spice. We toasted a little bit of cardamom, just a couple of pods. That's all you need, 4 or 5. We have a big palmful of cumin. That's very predominant in this curry blend that we're making. And then coriander over here, just a little bit less than the palmful of cumin. And then my secret ingredient is a little bit of caraway. So now we're gonna take 2 inches of ginger that I've peeled and cut into thin planks, and I'm gonna run my knife back through and make little batons of fresh ginger, and then run my knife through a couple more times. Now, I love heavy ginger. If you want less of a presence and less texture in your dish, of course, you can take out your grater and just microplane it. Honey, you wanna get browning the steak? Season it evenly with salt and pepper, please. Kosher salt and coarse black pepper. And we're going to brown the meat in stages, guys. This is our curry blend, and we're gonna season up our beef. This is the second batch we're browning. Throw that all back in here together. You didn't put any of the curry on that, so we'll get it, and then you just blend it together. There you go. We're also saving some for our sauce, half of our curry blend. Right now I'm making a little garnish for our dish. I put in a sprinkle of sugar. I'm adding a fat pinch of salt and a little pepper, and I'm gonna cover a couple of thinly sliced shallots and give them a quick pickle. And we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of pickled shallot over our dish when it's done. Okay, so now we're taking our ginger, garlic, leeks. Ooh, does that smell good? Turmeric. Get these guys in the pan. We're going to add a handful of curry leaves. Again, that's a bonus. You don't have to have it. Your curry blend is just fine. Salt, get the liquids going. And green or red tomatoes, about 1.5 pounds. This is just some, you can use long or medium grain white rice that we cooked in water, but I heavily seasoned it and scented it with some sliced ginger and crushed garlic. I just pulled the sliced ginger out of there so that all of the flavors marry. John has done a great job tossing our green tomato. You can make the same dish. You can make the same dish with red tomatoes.
Should I put in there?
Yes, please. This has fresh turmeric, or you can use dried, lots of coriander, and its best friend, cumin. Oh, wow, does that smell so good? That is so stunning, so fragrant. Oh, it's delicious, it's nutritious, and we serve it with lime wedges on the side to top the dish with, and some pickled shallot.
Insta-pickle.
Insta-pickled shallots around the dish. Oh my gosh.